This guide is created for every aspiring candidate. It is for students and job seekers who dream of a stable and rewarding career. The banking sector in India offers immense opportunities for growth. It is a highly respected profession. Our goal is to provide a clear and simple roadmap. This roadmap will help you pass bank probationary officer, technical officer, and clerk examinations. With dedication and the right strategy, you can achieve your dream job. This essay will give you a step-by-step plan. It will cover everything from understanding the exam to your first day at the bank. Before you start your preparation, it is crucial to understand the jobs you are applying for. The three most popular roles are probationary officer, clerk, and technical officer. A PO is a management trainee, trained for about 2 years across operations. Responsibilities include handling customer queries, processing loans, managing cash, and supervising clerical tasks. After probation, a PO becomes an assistant manager, leading to higher management roles. The clerk is the first touch point for customers. Transactions, deposits, withdrawals, passbooks, and checks. It demands accuracy, service skills, and composure under pressure, offering secure work-life balance. Clerks can earn officer promotions through internal exams. Specialist roles fit graduates with specific qualifications: IT, law, marketing, HR, agriculture, and include pro-knowledge tests. For example, IT officers run systems and security. Law officers advise on statutes and compliance. Knowing these differences helps you pick the right path and tailor your preparation effectively. So, choose wisely. Meeting the eligibility criteria is the very first step. Criteria revolve around nationality, age, and education. Always confirm details in the official notification. For PO, graduation in any discipline, age typically 20 to 30 for general, with some banks setting 21 minimum. Age relaxations: OBC 3 years, SC and ST 5 years, as per norms. For clerk, most banks require graduation, typical age 20 to 28, with relaxations for reserved categories. Proficiency in the official language of the state you apply from is essential. For specialist officers, degree relevant to the post, IT, law, agriculture, HR, etc., and sometimes experience. Read SO notifications extra carefully for specific requirements. Double-check everything, eligibility, dates, and documents before you apply. Understanding the structure of the examination is fundamental. Most exams filter candidates through multiple stages, typically preliminary, main, and interview, or skill test. Prelims is qualifying. Marks don't count toward final merit. Clear sectional and overall cutoffs. English 30, Quant 35, Reasoning 35. 100 questions in 60 minutes, often with 20-minute sectional timing. Clear prelims to reach mains. PO mains includes reasoning and computer aptitude, economy and banking awareness, English and data analysis and interpretation, plus a descriptive English paper. Total duration is around 3 hours 30 minutes. Clerk mains is similar, but generally less difficult. Negative marking applies, typically -0.25 per wrong answer, so avoid random guessing. Aim for speed with accuracy. Skip if unsure to protect your score. Practice well and stay calm to maximize correct attempts. A deep understanding of the syllabus is the foundation. English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, general awareness, and sometimes computer knowledge. Build concepts first, then practice. English focuses on reading and grammar. RC, close test, parajumbles, error spotting, sentence improvement, and vocabulary. Read newspapers to boost comprehension and vocab. Quant tests numerical ability. Master core arithmetic like percentages, ratio and proportion, profit and loss, simple and compound interest, and time and work. Practice data interpretation across tables, bars, pies, and line graphs. Also cover number series, simplification, approximation, and quadratic equations. Reasoning hinges on puzzles and seating arrangements, both linear and circular, which carry high weightage. Add syllogism, blood relations, direction sense, coding decoding, and input output. General awareness for mains. Last 6 to 8 months of current affairs. Banking awareness, RBI functions, account types, reforms, and static GK like capitals and currencies. Keep revising rules and solve many timed questions to build speed. The arena and the rules. Exam venues, attempts, and fees. Choose preferred cities for prelims and mains. Final allotment appears on your admit card. Pick a convenient city and reach early on exam day. For most IBPS and SBI exams, there is no attempt cap within the age limit. Always verify any specific attempt rules in the notification. Fees vary by category. General OBC higher, SC, ST, PWD lower, often R600, R850, verse RS100, RS175. Pay online by debit card, credit card, or net banking. Save the payment receipt for future reference. A smooth application frees your mind to focus fully on preparation. Clearing mains is big, but officer posts add an interview stage. PO and specialist officers face an interview by senior officials, sometimes with a psychologist. Clerical selections are based solely on mains marks. Interviews assess communication, attitude, and officer suitability. Prepare for why banking and discuss strengths and weaknesses honestly. Expect current affairs, especially economy and banking. Specialists face domain questions, IT, legal acts like SARFACI, sometimes GDs or practical tests. Final merit usually weighs mains and interview at 80-20. Dress formally, be polite, and present confidence with integrity. A strong interview can lift your rank and seal your selection. Know the key recruiters to widen your opportunities. SBI hires for PO and clerk annually, prestigious and competitive. IBPS conducts common exams for many PSBs, PO, clerk, and specialist officer. Scores feed vacancies in banks like PNB, Bank of Baroda, Canara, Union, Indian Bank, and regional rural banks. RBI runs Grade B and assistant exams, more demanding, policy-oriented careers. NABARD and SIDBI also recruit via their own notifications. Check official sites regularly and set alerts so you never miss a notification. Align your target bank with your strengths and career goals. Upon selection, postings can be anywhere nationwide, often starting in rural or semi-urban branches. This builds grassroots exposure and supports financial inclusion. Expect transfers every 3 to 5 years. Challenging but enriching. As of 2025, a new PO's gross monthly salary often ranges R60,000 R65,000. Clerks earn around R30,000 R35,000 gross. Figures vary by bank and posting city. Beyond basic pay, expect DA, HRA, CCA, plus medical insurance, provident fund, and concessional loans. Clerks can move to officer cadre via internal exams after a few years. PO career growth follows a structured ladder from assistant manager upward to senior leadership roles. Promotions blend seniority, performance, and internal exams. Dedicated officers can reach top-tier positions over time. Success needs a smart strategy and disciplined execution. Weeks 1 to 2. Understand syllabus and pattern. Create a realistic daily timetable. Start with core arithmetic in quant and grammar rules in English. Weeks 3 to 4. Master reasoning fundamentals, syllogism and blood relations. Begin daily current affairs reading. Weeks 5 to 6. Start topic-wise mocks. Practice RC and puzzles. Weeks 7 to 8. Diagnose weaknesses and fix them with timed drills. Weeks 9 to 10. Take full mocks and analyze in depth. Weeks 11 to 12. Revise, solve past papers, avoid new topics, stay calm. 1. Read the official notification carefully. 2. Confirm eligibility, age and education. 3. Gather books and online resources. 4. Create a daily and weekly schedule. 5. Subscribe to a quality mock series. 6. Read a newspaper every day. 7. Join a study group or forum. 8. Believe in yourself and start today.